You know what? We're back here at Stevie's Creole Cafe. Of course, we got James always in the house with us. We're sitting right here right now with Keith Washington. Keith, how you doing?
I'm blessed, man. How you been, my brother?
Man, I've been wonderful, man. It's been a long time, man, that I've seen you, even talk to you. Everything's okay?
Everything's beautiful. As you can see, you know, everything's beautiful. Just finishing a new record right now. I'm out doing the Marvin Gaye story. You know what I mean? So I'm blessed, man. God is good, man.
Is turning around, enjoying this room. We even got Arsenio Hall. How you doing, Arsenio?
Hey, as much as I love Bobby, I thought it was the white woman Bobby Brown when y'all told me to come. You know that white woman named Bobby? I thought that's who. But I love this one, and I know this one personally. But I came for the white woman. I stayed for the white woman. Yes.
Woo! Hey, yo, you know what time it is? Cut it off.